Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is office politics. Okay. Now, whenever we hear the word office politics, most of us immediately think of bad things like backstabbing, blaming others, spreading lies. So naturally people feel irritated or disgusted. But here the twist, not everyone sees politics as dirty. Some people think politics simply means setting agendas. And so the real question is, are all politics bad or only some? For simple example, think about a school or college group project. Some students gossip, blame others and manipulate. That's dirty politics. But others talk to the teachers, prepare notes early or make an plan with friends. This is also politics but not dirty. It's just influence. Okay. Now, the truth is, just being in an organization is already a political act. Whenever you like it or not, you are influencing people around you even without realizing it. At the heart of politics is power, but here power is not negative. Power simply means your ability to influence people and situation. You gain this power by inspiring others, helping people and building trust and creating a positive work culture. In a healthy workplace, power is used for the benefit of everyone, not for selfish reasons. For example, in your class, there is always that one student who motivates everyone before exams. This helps weaker students and encourages the group. Automatically, that person becomes influential. That is positive power. Next, the positive side of politics. The politics is basically the art of influencing people. To do it positively, you need confidence, emotional intelligence, and self-awareness. A psychologist David talked about something called socialized power. This is when you use your power not to dominate but to guide and inspire others. For simple example, think of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He had huge influence, but not because he manipulated people. He inspired them with his vision. This is the best example of positive politics. Next, the toxic side of politics. Of course, politics also has a dark side. Some people will lie or they flatter the boss or they push down weaker colleagues and they want to shine even at the cost of others. These people normally lack empathy and emotional intelligence. Working with them feels like a horror movie. For example, we all know that one student or colleague who never helps but always takes credit and puts others down. That is toxic politics. Next, leadership and politics. Now here's the important point, that is, good leaders do not avoid politics. They understand that it is a part of every organization, but instead of playing dirty games, they build honest relationship and understand what motivates people and treat everyone with empathy and stay authentic and support the team. For them, politics simply means getting along with people and placing yourself where your work is visible, not manipulation, just smart positioning. For example, imagine you help your teacher organize a seminar. You are not manipulating, you are just making sure your hard work is seen by others. That's not dirty politics, that's a smart leadership. Okay, so that's it for today's class. We learned that politics is everywhere, not always dirty, sometimes it's helpful and always a part of leadership. I hope this storytelling explanation made everything easy to understand. I will upload the next content in the coming days, so till then, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much.